I'm Dr. Bob Sears. I'm a pediatrician from California. And I came out here to New Brunswick because it is so important to me to fight against mandated medicine laws. Any laws that are going to mandate a complicated set of medical treatments, like the 30 doses of vaccines on the mandated New Brunswick vaccine schedule for children. To me, that just cannot be mandatory. It's wrong to mandate any sort of medicine that has potential side effects. Fortunately, it's rare when someone will have a very severe vaccine reaction, but they do happen. Severe vaccine reactions are real. I've seen them happen. And where there's a big risk like that, then there has to be a choice. And it just cannot be mandated for school attendance, in my opinion. And mandatory vaccine laws, they're unnecessary because there's no health crisis. We don't have an increase in measles here in Canada. There's no increase in any serious infectious diseases at all. So there's no reason for a mandate like this.
Do you have an opinion of why this is being mandated if none of those things exist?
Well, I think there's actually, sadly, an underlying pharmaceutical agenda to try to make their products mandatory. I mean, it's kind of it's every company's dream to have the government mandate their products, right? And even though vaccines might do a lot of good for some people, they also can cause harm to some people. And so I think the pharmaceutical companies are worried about side effects. They're worried about people becoming aware of side effects. And so one way around that is to get the government to mandate their product so that people don't have a choice anymore. And so that concerns me as a doctor. I don't want to do any harm to anybody. And so I always like to give informed consent and tell every patient the pros and cons of their medical treatment. But if you add in a mandate now, so I'm not just helping you make a medical decision, I'm helping you make a decision that's going to determine whether or not your child can go to school. That shifts the whole conversation and the whole decision. And I don't like it when government gets involved in my office and my medical decisions between me and my patients. So that's why I'm against vaccine mandates, and I will fight them, everywhere I can.